In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to increase font size in the formula bar in Microsoft Excel. If you've ever struggled to read the small text in the formula bar or want your new workbooks to start with a more comfortable font size, this simple adjustment can make a big difference. Let's go through it step by step so you can customize Excel to your liking. Start by clicking the File tab located in the upper left corner of your Excel window. This will open a menu with various options. Scroll all the way down and select Options. A new window will appear, giving you access to a variety of settings that control how Excel behaves and looks. Once the Options window is open, focus on the General Settings tab, which is usually the first tab displayed. Within this tab, you'll see a section specifically for customizing new workbooks. This is the area that allows you to change the font size to something that suits your eyes better. Look for the option labeled Font Size. This is where you can make the adjustment that will affect your formula bar and new workbooks. For this demonstration, I'm choosing a larger size, setting the font to 24 points. This makes the formula bar text significantly more readable and ensures that it stands out when you are working with your data. After selecting your preferred font size, a dialog box will appear confirming your choice. Simply click OK to finalize the change. Before the new font size takes effect, you need to close the current workbook. Make sure to save any important work before closing so nothing is lost. After reopening the workbook, you'll notice that the formula bar now displays text in your selected size, making it much easier to read, while the rest of the spreadsheet remains the same. This change also applies to any new workbooks you create. Opening a new Excel file will display larger text, including column headers, row numbers, and the name box in the top left corner. This is especially helpful if you are using a high-resolution monitor, where default fonts can appear quite small. If the larger font becomes overwhelming, reverting back is simple. Go to File, select Options, and return to the font size setting. Reset it to 11 points, the default Excel font size, then click OK and close Excel. When you open your workbook again, all text, including the formula bar, will be back to the standard size. By adjusting these settings, you can make Excel much more comfortable to work with, especially if reading small text has been a challenge. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell to stay updated with more Excel tips.